Would Alberta separation violate treaty rights? Chiefs marched on the legislature this week to deliver a united yes, it would. But Alberta's premier disagreed Friday, pointing to a strong separatist movement in a fellow province.
No one is saying that to Quebec. Quebec has 23 Bloc MPs, and they have a Parti Québécois that is polling at the highest amount. And so it seems to me that's a question for scholars, legal scholars, to answer.
The premier needs a history lesson.
This Vancouver-based lawyer, professor, and author says Smith's Alberta-Quebec comparison does not hold up legally because of how Canada was formed.
Alberta entered under very different circumstances. It entered after treaties were agreed to between the Crown and First Nations.
Bruce McIver believes an Alberta independence referendum may be blocked before ballots are even printed if First Nations take the matter to court.
You can't proceed towards separation without their consent, because those treaty rights are protected constitutionally.
On Friday, Danielle Smith again insisted she wants Alberta to stay in Canada, but the Premier is defending Bill 54, which lowers the bar for a referendum because an amendment to it states treaty rights will be respected. Not good enough, say these chiefs.
The amendment that was passed comes from the government, the UPC government. And it's not strong enough. They have to repeal the bill.
The Grand Chief of Treaty 6 says Smith has disrespected First Nations by passing the bill without proper consultation.
Maybe she thinks First Nations people are in the way. And it's about time that we rise and stand up in a peaceful way.
NDP leader Naheed Nenshi marched with the chiefs. He issued a warning to the Premier.
She has no idea what she is in for. So she's going to lose in the courtroom. She's going to waste hundreds of millions of dollars of taxpayers' money on fighting against Indigenous people.
The Onion Lake Cree Nation has already launched a lawsuit against Alberta and its Sovereignty Act. In a statement to City News, Justice Minister Mickey Amery responded, saying Alberta's government is deeply committed to honoring and respecting all treaty rights enshrined in the Constitution. That will not change. We will be filing our statement of defense in due course. But these chiefs say they will not back down on fighting Alberta's separation, and more lawsuits could be forthcoming. From Edmonton, Sean Amato, City News.